हेलो एवरीबॉडी एंड वेलकम टू गो हैश गुलबर्गा। द सिटी एकेडमी इस बार सेलेक्ट हुई है अटल इनोवेशन मिशन प्रोजेक्ट के लिए। जी हाँ, ये इनिशिएटिव है नीति आयोग गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। जी हाँ, इसके लिए काफी बड़ी मुबारकबाद है द सिटी एकेडमी के लिए, जहाँ पर अब अटल टिंकरिंग लैब इनॉग्रेट हुआ। जी हाँ, इसे इनॉग्रेट किया जनाब इम्तियाजुद्दीन, जो कि डायरेक्टर हैं सिटी ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस के। इस मौके पर जनाब मजहर हुसैन, लेक्चरर DIET कमलापुर, CRC महबूब साहब और सभी नॉर्थ उर्दू CRC यहाँ पर मौजूद रहे। साथ साथ अहमद बादशाह अल्ताफ साहब यहाँ पर मौजूद रहे और साथ साथ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ बेहमनी फाउंडेशन सैयद रिजवान उर रहमान, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट फादर स्टेनले जो कि सेंट मैरी चर्च के हैं, और सेक्रेटरी संजय महाकाल HOD ऑफ PDA कॉलेज भी यहाँ पर मौजूद थे। इस मौके पर यह हुआ मामला कि सभी स्टूडेंट्स ने काफी इनोवेटिव तरीके से मॉडल्स बनाए यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मटेरियल्स, जहाँ पर माइक्रो कंट्रोलर बोर्ड, सेंसर, 3D प्रिंटर्स को इस्तेमाल करते हुए कई सारे अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए। जहाँ पर जितने भी गेस्ट आए थे वो देखकर हैरत हो गए कि सिटी एकेडमी के बच्चे कितने क्रिएटिव और टैलेंटेड है, और जिस तरह से सिटी एकेडमी को सेलेक्ट किया गया है अटल इनोवेशन मिशन के अंदर, उस बारे में भी उन्होंने काबिल मुबारकबाद दी। आइए देखते हैं इस इवेंट के शॉर्ट हाइलाइट्स।
I heartfully thank the management of City Academy Gulbarga for their building this new innovative lab, Atal Tinkering Lab. This lab really, it is encouraging the students of this school to bring their hidden talent or skills, whatever it may be. So by seeing their projects, nowadays what they are doing in engineering college, we are doing those projects. But even though they may be minute or mini projects, but they are quite challenging one. Because of this Atal Tinkering Lab, the students are encouraged, they are motivated to learn still better, so that it is an encouraging for them to enter into the field of engineering and do research, and it is encouraging their skills, not only skills but their research quality also. That is what they can improve their academic skills. So you just see their project. Now these students, with the help of this Atal Tinkering Lab, they have developed a robot, 3D printing machines, and not only that, they have circular motion into linear motion. They are already developed a lift, whatever we are seeing in the hotels and everywhere, So so many things, really challenging project they are doing. So security labs, bank security systems, burger alarms. So really they are quite one. Hope in future by this lab encourage the students, and they will shine in their life, whatever it is. So once again I thank the management of City Academy.
काबिल मुबारकबाद है प्रिंसिपल मैडम, और काबिल मुबारकबाद है उनके हस्बैंड जो मैडम का साथ दे रहे हैं। क्योंकि मैडम का मैं जहाँ पर थोड़ा सा देख लिया हूँ मैं कि मैडम में डेवलप करने का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उनका रुझान है, यानी किस तरह से डेवलप करना। और आज का जो एग्जीबिशन हमने देखा, ये न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी का अभी तकरीबन डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन उस पर हुआ है। मैं उस पर ज़्यादा ये नहीं करूँगा, बस इतना ही कहूँगा कि मैं मैडम को और उनके हस्बैंड को काबिल तारीफ़ है, मैं मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ।
सिटी एकेडमिक स्कूल, जमजम कॉलोनी, कलबुर्गी डिस्ट्रिक्ट. So this year, Atal Tinkering Lab has been sanctioned to this school, and the lab preparation is one of the best what I had earlier come across. The management, the teachers have taken a lot of strain and pain to make the arrangements. and hopefully the head of the institution will cooperate in all respects, and this Atal Tinkering Lab will be one of the model in the Kalburgi district itself. Thank you very much.
I am Eliza Nafia Fatima. We are in 9th standard. Our project is periodic swing motion. So our project deals with the periodic motion. So periodic motion is a type of motion in which motion is repeated in equal interval times, means periodical motion. Example, bouncing chair, a swing, earth around the sun, etc.
For this we have made a simple swing to demonstrate the periodic motion. This is how it will work.
Myself Madiha Mohammadi.
Myself Fariba Iram.
We are from 9th standard.
Our topic is about the rack and pinion motion.
Rack and pinion is the linear actuator that comprises a circular motion. The rack which operates a rotation motion into linear motion. The pinion engaging a linear motion.
We are from 8th standard. Our topic is walking robot, smart locker and smart street light. Robot help us to reduce the work of human beings. It would save the time of the human beings.
We have connected a DC motor here which will take the power supply and give the supply power to the whole robot, and it will start working.
It is a smart locker. When a thief comes to take money from the locker, then the locker start buzzing.
Here we are saving the energy. How means when any object is not passing through a sensor, the sensor will not sense, and unnecessarily the energy is not getting wasted.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Muhammad Yusuf.
My name is Muhammad Zainuddin Khan. I am studying in 8th standard. This is called Buzz Wire game. This is a game. This is well known as tabletop amusement. The aim is to guide the loop through the wire without touching against the metal wire.
Myself Arbia Raika. I am from 6th standard.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Aisha Talat, and I am also 6th standard.
Today we are presenting electric quiz board. Hardware General.
Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. We the student of class 8th. Myself Mirza Faizan Beg.
Myself Muhammad Azhar Alam.
Today we make the robot. The robot name is light chasing wagon. Have you ever seen a cat chase a laser pointer?
Good afternoon. My name is Khalilur Rahman. I am from 6th standard. This is an electric scissor lift. Scissor lift is a machine which is used on elevate vertically to achieve target. Highest with the help of scissor lift, the job will be done much faster.
Up and down movement will depend on the platform, size, height and load handling of the lifting unit. Thank you.
Myself Mohammad Kashif. I am from 9th standard. Our project is Burglar Alarm.
Burglar Alarm consists of series of electrical components that are connected to their properties. We have sensors and components that they detect movement of or open the doors and windows like cars. We will not close door properly, it will be detected, and that will be buzzer. We will remove this money and it will be detected.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Zoya Tazeen.
My name is Subja Sadaf and we are from standard 7th.
My name is Monis Fatih.
Myself Mohammadi Khizra.
Myself Aisha Samri.
Today I am going to explain the introduction of 3D printer. 3D printer are used to make the three-dimensional objects and entitized by the printing. The objects that are created in this printer can be of any shape and size. In this printer, the consecutive frames and layer of a particular material are laid down under the computer control. Now, and this 3D printer is invented by the Chakhul in 1948. Now she is going to explain the part of the 3D printer.
Three mainly advantages of 3D printer is flexible design, print on demand and rapid prototyping.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Dr. Tanveer Jamal, Principal, the City Academy. With immense pleasure, I would like to inform you that our school has been sanctioned Atal Tinkering Lab. Atal Tinkering Lab is an initiative of Atal Innovation Mission, which is under Niti Aayog, Central Government of India. Under this Atal Tinkering Lab, there is a vision to create 1 million neoteric innovators. Atal Tinkering Labs have been proposed all across the country. We are the lucky ones for having been sanctioned. Under this, there are a lot of materials and equipments like robotic kits, microcontroller boards, sensors, 3D printers, etc. Children get hands-on experience by working in this lab. I would like to thank all the invitees for attending today's inauguration. Thank you one and all.